Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today for you, I have a mix and match unboxing. These bundles are pretty big, so I'm super excited. I have the Go For It style box, and my stylist name is Lauren. They send you this nice sheet, and it says all the items that we have here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. So I'm super excited. And I have 5 days to decide. I did the Go For It style box. It was $25, and I took advantage of a 3-month promotion where it would only be $5. So if I bought everything in the box, the total would be $438. And with the buy all discount, which is 25%, it would take off $109.50 and it would be $328.50. Okay, so I get that in the box, as well as your shipping label. It's UPS, and they have this cute little box. So if you like to watch these kind of videos, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the box. I'm gonna go and open it up. And here is my first bundle. It says, "Thank you for letting us style you." It's really cute. So let's open it and see what she sent. So it looks like there's one item in here, and here it is. Looks like a dress. It's cute. The pattern is this like light blue, white, and red and black. It's really cute, and it's by Gilly. And that item is called, let's find it on the sheet of 11 things. Black shift dress with overlap V-neck and cap sleeve in a mosaic print, and this is a size small, and it's $45. So that's the item number. All right, so that's the first bundle. Let's go to the next one. Put this item over here, and let's go to the next one. Looks like I got some jeans and some stripes, which I really like. So the next bundle is, looks like a pullover top. It's navy and white stripes. This is really soft. Looks like it has a pocket. There's a hood in the back. The sleeves are cuffed over. This is really cute for fall. And let's see what this is. It's Haley and Company. And let's see, this is Haley and Company navy stripe top, size small, $39. So that's really cute. Really like this. Really cute and soft. Next, we have this little top. This looks a little short for me. I love this blue color. I like it, but it is a little short. It has some flare sleeves. I'll try it on. This is little Leota, extra small. And let's see here. Leota, blue royal V-neck, short sleeve jersey top, size extra small, and that's $45. There's the item. There we go. Put this over here. A next really cute striped top. I love stripes. This is navy and blue as well, and it has these flare sleeves, which is really cute. Really like this. So let's see what this is. This is this brand, which I cannot pronounce. And the total, let's see here. Let's find the item on here. It's navy and white striped bell sleeve top, size extra small, and it's only $34. It's really cute. I really like that. So let's try that. And then the next item is this blue, well, green top, and has some ties on the side. So it kind of like cuts out, but then you can tie it. It's really soft. This is a Dear John item, and this is Dear John Dirty Wash Henley Tea and Sweet Pea, size extra small, and it's $45. There it is. Okay. Ooh, some capris or jeans. These are nice. Judy blue. I actually really like these a lot. They're stretchy. They have a little bit of distressing, and then they also have a cuffed bottom, which I love. I've been looking for something like this. And let's see here. These are Judy blue, medium blue distressed with big cuff, size 024, $48. So that's actually really cheap. So that's a good deal. I'm excited to try these on. Hopefully they fit. Okay, and then here we go. Here is the last bundle. I feel like it's Christmas on opening presents here. Okay. Ooh, some cute stuff. Just USA black jeans. And they are super soft. And I don't see any distressing on them, but at the bottom, they have the raw hem, which I love. And these are really nice. So let's see what these are. Just USA. Black skinnies with fray hem, size 0, and they're only $52. So that's a deal. I really like these. Hopefully they fit. I like them a lot. They're soft. Okay. Next top is an off-the-shoulder top, and it's looks like at the top it has some stretchiness, and then it flares out at the bottom. This is pretty. This is Doe and Ray, and this is Doe and Ray Floral Mock off-the-shoulder top, and it's only $34. So there you go. It's really cute. I like the flare sleeve. Okay. Next we have this top here. It's cute. It's kind of like a tight neck, off the shoulder top, long sleeve, blue, just a regular top, and it is by Lush long sleeve pullover top in a ribbed fabric, shoulder cutout and choker neckline and keyhole back. Closure size small, and it's only $32. So it does have the keyhole in the back. And then here's the item. If you're looking to purchase it, it's very cute. There's a lot of stuff here, wow. Okay, next item is this gray top. Very pretty, it's striped top. And then the sleeves are different. They have these like bunching and then ties on the ends. That's different, I've never seen anything like that. So let's read what this is. This is a ghillie top. And this is the ghillie gray and white striped top with white crushed rich wrist with tie, size small, and it's only $32. So it's cute, really nice for fall. And then next item I have here is, oh, it's like a cardigan, very cute. So it is a gray and white cardigan. It's pretty long, flares at the bottom, and this here item is ghillie again, and it's the ghillie ivory and black lightweight drape open cardigan, size small, $37. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these outfits on and let you guys know what I think. Stay tuned. So here is the top. It's really cute. It's kind of like a high-low. I really like the pattern. It's really adorable. It's lined, so it has some lining in it. Really like the top. It is cute for summer. We are going into fall, so I'm not exactly sure. You know, we'll see. And then next I have the jeans on. I'm gonna move you guys down so you can see. I have the jeans, and they're really cute. They're a little bit tight on me, but I love the bottom. It's really cute, nice and frayed. They're adorable. They fit really nice. These Just USA pants are really cute and nice. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. This outfit is really cute. So thinking about it, I don't know. Let me know. I really like the top. Next is the blue top. I really love this color for fall. I like it has the cutout sleeve. I didn't pin it in the back because I can never get them undone, but this top is really cute. It's extremely soft. The blue is awesome. I love the coloring It fits really nice. It lays really nice. The sleeves are cool. I've never seen anything like this. I've seen like regular cutouts, but it's kind of cut on a V. So it's really cute. Let me know what you guys think down below, what I should keep. Next we have this cute top. I really like how the sleeves have these ties, but I type all day, so I don't know if this will get in my way. I really like it. It's really cute and comfortable. It fits really nice with these black jeans. So let me know what you guys think. I really like this. It's like a staple normal piece. Let me know what you think. I have this like cardigan type thing. It's really cute. I'm short, so this is gonna be a little bit longer for me. So here it is. Not sure if it would go with this top, but it's nice. Maybe like a white tee and some boots. Really cute. Okay, so here's the green top. It's really cute. It has the ties on the side. It's really comfortable and light and airy and lightweight. It's really cute. I just have to wear something underneath it here because it goes up a little bit higher, but I really like it a lot. Next I have the jeans on. Let me bring you guys down. I had to cuff them again because I'm really short. I'm only 5'4". But these fit really nice. They're really comfortable. I like the cuffing at the bottom. They move with you. They're really stretchy. So these are really cute. So I'm not sure, you know, if I'm gonna keep them or not. I'm super excited about them. They're really nice. Okay, so here is the striped top. And I love this. Absolutely love this. It fits perfect. I love flare sleeves, love it, and I love stripes. They're like two of my favorite things. This top is really pretty. I love it. I'm probably gonna definitely keep this. I can definitely wear this to work. I love how it flounces out. And it goes great with these jeans. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next is this top here. It's really cute. It just sits a little different on me. Looks like it goes to the one side. It's really comfortable. I like how it, in the sleeve, it's folded up, has a hood. It's different. It's not something that I would usually like gravitate towards, but I really like it a lot. So, it's a little itchy inside, but otherwise it's really comfortable. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so here's the blue top. It's like I thought, it's really short. Let me put these tags in the pocket here. It's really short. If I go like this, you can see my whole stomach. It's not something I would gravitate towards you, but it is really comfortable. Really like it a lot. And it goes well with these jeans. So let me know what you guys think. I have one more item and it's the dress, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is the dress. It's the ghillie dress. It's really cute. The pattern, I don't think it's really me. I don't really wear dresses like this too much. But if it was in just a solid color or something a little bit different, I probably would purchase it. It fits really nice though. It's so comfortable. I can see why people like the ghillie dresses. But let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts, so just stay tuned. I'm back with my final thoughts. These jeans, I actually really love these, and they're cheap, but I have so many jeans, I'm like torn. So I don't know, give me your thoughts and let me know what you think. I'm on the fence about these. They fit phenomenally, so just let me know. This top here with the bell sleeves, I'm keeping this. That is going in my closet. I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow, but I love it. This ghillie dress here, let me bring it out. Unfortunately, I'm gonna pass on this. It's just not my style. Cute though. This hoodie here, it's cute, but I just don't need it right now, unfortunately. sorry, the mailman's here. Next is this top here. I don't need this, unfortunately. You guys probably hear my dogs barking in the background because the mailman is here with my trend send. Next, these black jeans. I already have black jeans, so I'm gonna pass on these, unfortunately. And next is this top here. It's really cute. Like it a lot, but I'm gonna pass on it. It's not something I can wear to work, or I'm looking for staple pieces. Next is cardigan here. This, just not my style, unfortunately. I like it a lot, but it's just not my style. This top, it's not versatile for me, but I like it. I love all this stuff, but I'm looking for staple pieces that I can wear to work. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pass. This top is really cute. I love these colors. I love black, green, pink, and white. So I'm on the fence about this one. And last but not least, this blue top. The short one, it's just not gonna work for me. It's too small, too short. So thank you guys for watching. I have a link down below for Mix and Match. If you click on that, I get $5, I think, towards my next purchase, which is like a credit. If you do decide to go and use my link, you can get your own link. When you post your videos or share with your friends, you can get $5 if they use your link. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.